Yo, 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 my people, what's going on? Kenny T, Kilo Tango Aviation. I'm going to show y'all how to do soft field landings. Let's do it. Setup is all the same as a normal traffic pattern and landing. Traffic number 5466, then return to final runway 13, pump traffic.
The FAA requires you to be able to accomplish soft field landings on your private and commercial check route.
Cancel traffic, Skyhawk 9, Tango Juliet, turning base, runway 5, cancel.
I recommend practicing your soft field techniques on a hard surface before going to a grass strip. So you're going to get to your final approach speed. Once your landing is assured, you're going to take your power and gradually bring it to idle. Your pitch are going to gradually increase, so round out the airplane. As you get to the flare, slightly add power to slow the sink rate and soften the touchdown. Once on the runway, keep a little bit of power and minimize the weight on the nose and keep the yoke back.
Hold pitch attitude, bring out power, but keep just enough. Up.
Well, that wasn't smooth. Let's try that again.
On traffic number 5466, then on the go, runway 13, final traffic.
On that landing, I let go of back pressure just a little bit too soon.
Alright, coming a little bit short, add a touch of power. That's my aim point, airspeed's good. Yes, I'm above the glide path, but I'm going to intercept the glide path. I want to be right on. There we go. See? Intercepting it. Lined up. Hold my power.
And Paulding County traffic, Baron 663, Juliet 9, clear, 13, Paulding County.
Touch of power. Keep a little bit of power in. Hold it. There we go.
Now let's do a soft field landing on a real soft field. Here at Henry County, I chose runway 31 because of the winds, but I missed a big consideration. It's a down-sloping runway, which means it increases my landing distance. This soft field is also a short field, only 2,400 feet. My calculated land distance is 1,100 feet with a 380-foot ground run. Aiming for 1,000-foot mark is a fine and large runway, but not here on a short runway.
Henry County traffic, Sabria 8699 will be doing aerobatic maneuvers over the Henry County Reservoir.
I touched down before my go-around point, but that could have been a lot better.
Ooh-wee.
Henry County traffic, 729 is final 24 Henry County.
This time around, I switched to the preferred runway, but I still had too much speed on final and it took a long time to bleed off this energy. This is a good setup for this landing. Speed is controlled, round out and ground effect, a touch of power in the flare, airplane comes down slow, nice and smooth landing. Hold back pressure on the ground. One more for your viewing pleasure. Thanks for tuning in. Kilo Tango Aviation, soft field landings. Leave a comment below, like, subscribe, share.